Alright, the goal of today is to prepare you guys for the test tomorrow. So I'm going to go over all of the constructions we've already learned so that you guys know exactly what I want to see. So the first thing I'm going to go over is copying a line. So here's the line that I'm going to copy. The very first thing you want to do when you're copying a line is you want to draw a bigger line. So I'm going to do it down here. And it doesn't matter if I draw it this way or this way. You know, how I draw the line is not important. What is important is that I do want to have the same length. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my compass. I'm going to open it to the length of this line here. And I might have to make this one smaller for the purpose of this video, because this compass only goes so far. As you guys see, that's about where it's supposed to be. Alright, so I'm going to change colors real quick. Now, this marking right here, this marking shows me that you measured it. If I don't see this, you're not going to get any credit. Then you take your compass and you put it at either end of the bigger line that you drew, and then you mark it. So basically what you did here is, step 1 is you measured your original line. Step 2 is you drew a longer line and then you copied that measurement onto there. That's all you have to do. And this right here is completed work. And again, it doesn't matter how this line is going. It doesn't have to be like this. It can be drawn straight up. That is not important. What is important is that you measure this correctly and you proceed from there. Now what I'm going to do for this one here is I'm going to copy the angle. Now here's the work that I want to see. Now again, the direction in which I draw this, not super important. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a longer line. Next, I'm going to take my compass and I want to put it at the vertex. So remember, the vertex is where the two lines that form the angle intersect. Now here's the important part. You want to draw an arc that basically intersects both of the lines. Now you want to take the same thing and you want to put it over here. And you rotate my compass first. Now you want to draw that same exact measurement over here. Now the next step, again, I want to copy the angle. So I know that I'm going to be drawing a line going that way at some point. So the next thing you want to do is you want to measure from here to here. So I'm going to open up my compass to that length as best I can. Now actually, like I've said before in the other videos, I feel way more comfortable doing this with an actual compass versus a digital one. It's not the same. Alright, that's about right. Now, you have to draw this arc here to know that you're accurate. Now, I said before I marked it that looks about right. Then I marked it. This measurement right here tells me that, hey, I marked this correctly. Now, the last thing you want to do here, before you actually draw your line, is you want to put your compass at the intersection, not the vertex over here, not the end point, and then you want to trace that same line. Now, the very last thing you're going to do is you want to draw a line going from this endpoint through that intersection. And again, how long this is, how short it is, that is not important. That's not relevant. The important thing is it going from the endpoint through the intersection. So here's how you copy an angle, and I've already shown you guys how to copy a line. I'm going to do a separate video for the other ones.